this lesson, we will look at subnets. Subnets are a fundamental part of networking in Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. As explained in the previous lecture, think of a VPC as your own private data center in the cloud. Inside a VPC, subnets help you segment your network into smaller, manageable sections. Now, why do subnets matter? Imagine dividing a building into separate floors, each with its own security, purpose, and access rules. That's what subnets do for your cloud resources. They define where EC2 instances live, how they communicate, and whether they can reach the internet. And not just EC2 instances, but all other services that you launch as well. There are two types of subnets. Public subnet. These are connected to the internet via an internet gateway. Resources here can receive traffic from outside AWS, like a web server. Private subnets. These do not have direct internet access. They are ideal for databases or internal applications that should stay isolated. Each subnet is tied to an availability zone, helping you design highly available architectures. Let's say you're launching a simple web app. The front-end EC2 instance goes into a public subnet to handle user requests. The backend database sits in a private subnet, safe and tucked away. Subnets therefore give you control, security, and scalability. And that wraps up our overview on subnets. In the next lesson, we'll walk through creating subnets and mapping them to availability zones in the AWS console. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.